In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of PIP not working on YouTube. Picture-in-picture is a convenient feature that allows you to continue watching videos while multitasking on your device. However, if it is not working properly, it can be quite frustrating. Thankfully, there are a few simple steps you can follow to resolve this problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap Picture-in-Picture. What you want to do next is toggle on this switch to start PIP automatically. And now Picture-in-Picture on YouTube should work flawlessly. However, if you are still encountering problems, go back and tap iPhone storage. It will take a couple of seconds to load. And then scroll down until you see YouTube. Tap on it. What you want to do next is tap Offload app. And then tap Reinstall app. This will fix any bugs or glitches with the app itself that prevent PIP from functioning properly. Hopefully, these solutions will fix the issue, and you'll be able to enjoy YouTube without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.